We go now to a Primetime News exclusive looking at the conditions of the building from which firefighters in Freeport St. James operate. TVJ's Anthony Lugg has been tracking that story and joins us live. Anthony?
Thanks, Archie. Now, after more than a decade without a proper fire station in downtown Montego Bay, the second city is a step closer to having a new fire station built, as the design is completed and has been approved. But as it turns out, it may take some time. Now, the building they now operate from poses serious health and safety concerns. We wonder if the fire department itself would have approved its use. From the outside, this fire station in Freeport St. James looks normal. But on the inside, it's a mess. From the ceiling to the floor, these images tell a story. This is the area where the firefighters take a bath. Cracks in tiles while some are missing, but the men who are tasked with saving lives make do with the structure. The urinal area is filthy, so too is the overhead wooden structure. Over in the kitchen, leaking pipes, the rotten woods nearby is a breeding site for rats. And in the rooms, the mattresses were recently replaced, but the beds are a nightmare. The bed springs are worn. The firefighters who sleep on them say it gives them backaches. To reduce the stress on their backs, boards are placed on the base. But despite the poor conditions of this facility, the firefighters, most of whom were transferred to the location 11 years ago, turn up for work daily. Morale is, however, low. The discomfort is to be rectified, but it may take some time before that happens, based on this announcement by local government minister Desmond McKenzie at a municipal corporation meeting in St. James recently.
The tendering for the construction of the brigade will be completed by June, and we are expecting that by the downside of this year, the commencement of the long-awaited and long-overdue construction of the fire station here in Montego Bay will commence.
The new fire station is to be constructed on the same site on Barnett Street in Montego Bay where the old one once stood. It's now a temporary bus park which Junior Brown uses to sell roast yam.
I'm going to me a lot, you know, if me and them tell already, you know, so I don't find me out already, can move to the next port. So I can go do my thing.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.